Good morning, students. This is Pinky Yadav as an English teacher at Suraj School, Mahendragarh. So, students, today I will explain chapter number 9. Chapter number 9th, that is the bond of love. That is the bond of love is written by Kenneth Anderson. And in this chapter, or the story of this chapter shows a friendship between animal and human being. It is generally said that human being can be friend to each other. They can have love, affection and friendship also. But in this chapter, or through the story of this chapter, we can know that animals also have as much love and affection as much human beings have. Animals also have love and affection as much as human beings have. So through this story we also know about the friendship which is going on between the animal and human being. Animal, there is a young one of bear. There is a sloth bear, and author's wife is human being. So between both the character sloth bear and author's wife, there is a friendship which shows a lot of affection, love and care also. So once the poet with his companions, with his friends, was passing through the sugarcane fields near Mysore, and he saw a sloth bear which was running towards them. The people of Mysore, or the people who were owner of these fields, they were running away the wild animals, because they were taking care of their fields. And there suddenly the writer Kenneth Anderson and his friends saw a bear, a young one, a sloth bear, a bear cub. And one of writer's companion shot that animal, but when they went near to that, they saw that it was a bear cub. So they took it into the bag which was used for placing or for having a gun. They took the sloth bear into the bag and brought Bangalore, where author's wife lived. And author presented that bear cub, or that sloth bear, to his wife. His wife was very happy to see the bear, because she loved pets, she loved animals. When she saw a pet, when she saw a sloth bear, then she became very happy. She took it and she gave him a name, that was Bruno. The cub, it was a sloth bear. Sloth means which or who walks slowly, जो धीरे धीरे चलता हो. That was, you can say, lazy also. So एक लेजी बियर था जो धीरे धीरे चलने वाला था. उस बियर का ऑथर्स वाइफ गेव ए नेम ब्रूनो. ऑथर की वाइफ ने उसको ब्रूनो नाम दे दिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हेन इट वाज ग्रोन अप, देन ऑथर्स वाइफ चेंज्ड हिज नेम इनटू बाबा. First of all, she gave him a name Bruno, but after that she renamed as Baba, because now it was grown up, बड़ा हो गया था. So like this, author's wife and sloth bear, they both lived together very happily. Author's wife looked after him. She took lot of care of that sloth bear, and she was very happy. And Bruno, on the other side, Bruno also was very happy to have Bruno, author's wife, as his mistress, and he was also happy. Now he learnt how to eat. First of all, author's wife made him learn how to drink. She gave him a bottle. सबसे पहले उसने बोतल दी. बोतल से मिल्क पीना, जो भी ड्रिंक होती थी, वाटर, मिल्क, लाइक, सो वो सब कुछ बोतल से पीता था. But gradually he learnt how to eat also. He started to eat. porridge, chocolates, cakes, creams, etc. These things he started to eat. Now he was very happy and he started to play with children also. There was a bungalow, on in those bungalows there were teenage and teenage children. With teenage children, Bruno started to play with them. But now he became grown up, and before growing up there was an incident with Bruno started to run here and either and thither in the bedrooms. Sometimes he run or rushed into the kitchen and bedroom. He run or he wandered wherever he liked. जहाँ भी ये चाहता था वहीं पर, किचन में भी, बेडरूम में भी, लाइब्रेरी में भी, ये वहाँ पर घूमता रहता था, वंडरिंग करता रहता था. Once poet put barium carbonate. It was just like poison. ये एक तरह का पॉइजन था, बेरियम कार्बोनेट. इट वॉज प्लेस्ड इन लाइब्रेरी में रखा गया था. बेरियम कार्बोनेट.